The legend of the Kraken. Have you ever heard of the Kraken, the mythical sea monster that haunts legends and stories? But what if I told you that this legend is not just a fictional tale? Get ready to discover the real Kraken, the true story of the giant squid, a fascinating journey beyond myths and into the depths of the ocean, where one of the most enigmatic and majestic predators the world has ever known lives. Let's dive together into the depths of the unknown and explore the surprising truths behind these gigantic creatures. Unveiling this mystery will not only spark your curiosity, but also connect you to the vastness and fragility of our immense ocean. Join us on this adventure and discover how reality is even more impressive than the darkest and most grandiose tales. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't miss the chance to learn more mysteries like this one. Subscribe to our channel now and join our journey into the depths of the ocean. Let's discover together what the real Kraken has to reveal to us. Imagine a sea so vast and deep that even the most experienced navigators feel a chill down their spine when venturing into its dark waters. For centuries, sailors told stories of a monstrous creature that inhabited these mysterious depths, a being so colossal that it could swallow an entire ship. This monster was the Kraken, a Nordic legend that captured the imagination of many and became a symbol of ancient maritime fears. Norse mythology, rich in stories of gods and monsters, is the birthplace of this mythical figure. The Kraken, according to legend, was described as a gigantic squid or sea octopus, with enormous tentacles capable of destroying ships and dragging sailors to a cruel fate at the bottom of the sea. It was said that the Kraken would emerge from the depths to attack, creating whirlpools that pulled ships and men to their doom. These tales were passed down from generation to generation, perpetuating fear and fascination with the unknown. The origin of these stories is intertwined with both reality and imagination. In the 18th century, Nordic sailors frequently reported encounters with massive sea creatures, and these observations likely gave rise to the legend of the Kraken. These stories were often exaggerated and embellished by fear and the ignorance of the vast oceans. Ancient maritime maps sometimes included drawings of sea monsters and warnings, such as "Here be dragons," a reflection of the anxieties and mysteries associated with long sea voyages. As the Kraken became a cultural icon, it began to appear in literature and art. In poems and tales, the Kraken was often depicted as an almost supernatural threat, with powers beyond human comprehension. These representations helped shape the image we have today of this mythical creature, linking it to horror stories and adventure tales. However, as science advanced and the oceans began to be explored more deeply, scientists discovered that the Kraken might have a real basis. The giant squid, a real and immense sea creature, was revealed to be the probable prototype for the legends of the Kraken. With tentacles that can extend over 10 meters and a presence that makes even the most fearless explorers tremble, the giant squid seems to have partly inspired the ancient stories of the Kraken. The legend of the Kraken continues to fascinate and frighten, reflecting humanity's fascination with the unknown and fear of nature's uncontrollable forces. Today, as we look at the Kraken through the lens of modern science, we can see how ancient stories and myths were indeed precursors to real discoveries about the incredible and mysterious creatures that inhabit the depths of our planet. The discovery of the giant squid. The story of the discovery of the giant squid begins with a mixture of mystery and fascination, reflecting the same kind of emotion that surrounded the ancient legends of the Kraken. Although the creature had long been mentioned in ancient tales and accounts, confirmation of its real existence came much later. The first concrete evidence that the giant squid was more than a myth emerged in 1857, when a French explorer, the naturalist Alphonse Pinart, found the body of a giant squid on a beach on the coast of Norway. This squid had been killed and stranded, and its impressive dimensions shocked scientists of the time. The animal, which measured about 7 meters, was much larger than any other known mollusk, but many scientists were skeptical and still considered it to be a misinterpretation or a hoax. It wasn't until the 1870s that science began to confirm the existence of the giant squid. In 1873, a scientific expedition led by the Japanese biologist K.S. Kuroda managed to capture a giant squid in the waters of Japan. This specimen, which measured about 8 meters, was carefully studied and documented, revealing impressive details about the anatomy and biology of the giant squid. The real breakthrough in understanding the giant squid came with scientific expeditions in the 20th century. During World War II, deep-sea fishing, which was previously impossible due to the lack of technology, began to reveal more about these marine giants. In 2004, one of the most exciting moments occurred when a team of Japanese scientists, led by Tsunami Kabatara and Kyoichi Mori, managed to capture video footage of a live giant squid in its natural habitat in the depths of the Pacific Ocean. These images, obtained with high-definition cameras, showed a squid over 10 meters long, confirming what many scientists had suspected. The giant squid was a real and immense creature. The giant squid, also known as Architeuthis dux, is one of the largest marine invertebrates in the world. Its impressive features include tentacles with razor-sharp suckers, which it uses to capture its prey, and a powerful beak capable of tearing flesh. Additionally, its skin is covered with bioluminescent cells that can emit light, helping it camouflage in the dark depths of the ocean and attract prey. The study of the giant squid is still ongoing. Scientists continue to explore the ocean depths with new technologies, such as submarines and underwater drones, to learn more about this enigmatic and fascinating deep-sea predator. Each new discovery adds a piece to the puzzle of marine life and reveals more about one of the most impressive creatures inhabiting the planet. The discovery of the giant squid, therefore, is not only a scientific milestone but also a window into the mysteries that remain hidden in the depths of the ocean, reminding us that the marine world still holds fascinating and immense secrets, waiting to be unveiled. Inhabitants of the depths, let us imagine, for a moment, that we are diving into the mysterious depths of the ocean, where sunlight barely penetrates. It is in this dark and almost unreachable realm that the giant squid lives, a majestic and enigmatic creature that has fascinated scientists and explorers for generations. The natural habitat of the giant squid is the oceanic abyss, a region that begins about 1,000 meters below the surface and extends to the deepest parts of the sea, where the pressure is crushing and sunlight is non-existent. This is a hostile area where conditions are extremely challenging. The pressure in the depths is many times greater than at the surface, such that if a giant squid were to rise rapidly, its body could disintegrate instantly. Furthermore, the temperatures are cold, often below 10 degrees Celsius, and the environment is dark, illuminated only by the bioluminescence of some marine creatures. Life in these depths is adapted to these extreme conditions. The giant squid has a flexible, boneless body, which helps it withstand the immense pressure of the deep without rupturing. Its muscles and tissues are designed to resist these adverse conditions. Additionally, the giant squid's skin is covered with bioluminescent cells, allowing the creature to emit a faint light. This bioluminescence is a vital tool in the deep darkness, used to attract prey and camouflage against predators. Giant squids also have incredibly large eyes, adapted to capture the slightest amount of light. These eyes are essential for hunting in an environment where vision is limited, helping them detect prey in the darkness of the depths. Their tentacles are covered with razor-sharp suckers, which they use to grab and hold onto their prey. Each sucker is equipped with tiny teeth that help tear the flesh of prey, such as fish and even other giant mollusks. The behavior of the giant squid is shaped by these extreme conditions. They are solitary and nocturnal predators, exploring vast areas of the seabed in search of food. These marine giants can use their bioluminescent abilities to camouflage themselves and stealthily approach their prey. Moreover, the giant squid is known for its ability to change the color and pattern of its skin, helping it blend into its environment or scare off potential threats. Despite its impressive size and menacing appearance, the giant squid is rarely seen by humans due to the difficulty of exploring the ocean's depths. Expeditions to study these giants are challenging and expensive, and most of the knowledge about them comes from fragments found in fishing nets or images captured by underwater cameras. Life in the ocean depths is a profound and fascinating mystery, and the giant squid is one of its greatest enigmas. In its realm of darkness and crushing pressure, this creature survives and thrives, a marvel of adaptation and natural design, continuing to inspire awe and fuel the curiosity of explorers and scientists who venture into the deep, unknown ocean. The growth of the giant squid. Imagine a deep, dark sea where a small life begins in one of the most mysterious corners of the ocean. Thus begins the journey of the giant squid, one of the most intriguing creatures of the marine kingdom, with a life cycle that is nothing short of fascinating. The story of the giant squid begins with a tiny egg, no larger than a small pea. These eggs are laid in the depths of the ocean, where the conditions are ideal for the development of future marine giants. The females, in an act of impressive maternal dedication, can lay hundreds of eggs in a single spawning. The eggs are usually fertilized and then protected by a kind of gelatinous capsule that keeps them safe in a dark and cold environment. When the eggs hatch, tiny larvae emerge, practically invisible to the naked eye. These larvae are very different from the adult versions and are minuscule in size, but they are equipped with a series of adaptations that help them survive in a world where everything can be a potential predator. The larvae feed on plankton and other small organisms present in the water. This period is crucial, as they must grow and develop to survive the challenges of the marine environment. As they grow, these larvae go through a series of developmental stages. During the first months, they transform rapidly, acquiring more adult-like characteristics. As they grow, they develop larger tentacles and a more robust body, beginning to resemble the giant squid we imagine. The growth is accelerated, with the squid increasing its size exponentially to adapt to the demands of a potential predator. In the juvenile stage, the giant squid is still relatively small compared to adults but begins to venture further in search of food. Its tentacles grow and strengthen, becoming effective tools for capturing larger prey. The young squid also develops camouflage and bioluminescent abilities, essential characteristics for survival in the depths of the ocean. The maturation process can take several years, and during this time, the giant squid continues to grow in size and strength. They become formidable predators, with tentacles that can extend over 10 meters and a powerful beak capable of tearing the flesh of their prey. At each stage of growth, the squid must adapt its hunting skills and strategies to cope with the increasing complexity of its marine environment. Finally, upon reaching maturity, the giant squid is an impressive giant of the depths. Its colossal size and honed abilities make it a feared predator in the marine kingdom. Adults are solitary and spend much of their time roaming the depths, searching for new areas to hunt and reproduce. The life of the giant squid is a story of transformation and adaptation, from the tiny egg to the majestic giant of the deep sea. Each stage of its growth is a vital step in the journey to becoming one of the most impressive and enigmatic creatures in the ocean. And although many details of its life still remain a mystery, the growth cycle of the giant squid continues to intrigue and fascinate those who seek to understand the secrets of the ocean depths. In the deep and mysterious realm where darkness is total and pressure is crushing, the giant squid stands out as a true master of hunting. This predator, whose abilities are an impressive combination of sophisticated techniques and evolutionary adaptations, is one of the most formidable hunters in the ocean depths. The giant squid's camouflage art is one of its most remarkable characteristics. Imagine a predator that can disappear into the shadows, becoming almost invisible to its prey. This is possible thanks to its skin, covered by special cells called chromatophores and iridophores. These cells allow the squid to change the color and pattern of its skin with precision. In a dark and threatening environment, this camouflage not only helps the squid hide from predators, but also allows it to blend in with its surroundings, becoming nearly invisible to its prey. This ability is crucial for its survival in a scenario where every detail can mean the difference between life and death. Besides camouflage, the giant squid also utilizes bioluminescence, a fascinating trick involving the emission of its own light. This glow is produced by specialized organs in the squid's body and can be adjusted in intensity and pattern. Bioluminescence is used to lure potential prey closer, creating a sort of luminous bait. This soft glow illuminates the prey, making them approach without realizing the danger that looms. The tentacles of the giant squid, which can reach an impressive 10 meters in length, are truly a marvel of nature. Equipped with suckers that have sharp little teeth, these tentacles are designed to grab and firmly hold onto prey. When the giant squid locates prey, it uses a combination of speed and precision to extend its tentacles and envelop the victim. The strength and agility of these tentacles ensure that the prey is quickly captured, leaving little chance of escape. Complementing this strategy, the giant squid possesses a sharp and powerful beak, similar to that of a parrot. This beak is essential for tearing the flesh of its prey, making feeding easier. After capturing its prey with the tentacles, the squid uses the beak to pierce and dismember the food, making it easier to ingest. This combination of tentacles and beak makes the giant squid a formidable and efficient predator. Although the giant squid is known for its solitary nature, there is evidence that, on occasion, these animals may group together to hunt large prey or protect themselves from bigger predators. In such situations, cooperation between individuals can increase hunting efficiency, allowing them to surround and attack larger prey with greater success. When it comes to capturing prey, the giant squid adopts a stealth attack strategy. Moving slowly and using its camouflage to conceal itself, it approaches the prey undetected. Once it is within an appropriate distance, the squid rapidly extends its tentacles to grab the victim, minimizing the prey's reaction time and increasing the chances of success. The giant squid's sensory system is highly developed, allowing it to detect variations in currents and the presence of prey with great precision. Its large, sensitive eyes are adapted to see in low-light conditions, enabling the squid to perceive subtle movements and locate prey in a dark and threatening environment. In addition to its offensive skills, the giant squid has impressive defenses. When threatened, it can use a jet of water to quickly escape, a technique known as jet propulsion. This method of escape is extremely fast and effective, helping the squid avoid predators and reposition itself in its complex environment. Throughout its life, the giant squid continues to hone its hunting skills. From youth to maturity, it develops and refines its techniques, adapting to the challenges and changes in its environment. This continuous process of evolution ensures that the giant squid remains at the top of the oceanic food chain. Predominantly nocturnal, the giant squid conducts most of its hunting activities at night. Many of its prey are more active during the dark hours, and the darkness offers additional cover that facilitates hunting. In the end, hunting in the ocean's depths is a game of patience and skill, and the giant squid is one of the greatest masters in this scenario. With an impressive combination of camouflage, bioluminescence, powerful tentacles, and a sharp beak, it dominates its environment and continues to be one of the most fascinating and enigmatic predators of the ocean depths. Imagine the vast expanse of total darkness, where the sun never shines and the pressure is crushing. In this underwater kingdom, the giant squid is one of the most impressive and well-adapted predators. Its success as a hunter is directly linked to its exceptional vision and keen senses, which help it detect prey and avoid predators in such a challenging environment. First, let's explore the giant squid's vision. Its eyes are true marvels of nature, perfectly adapted to the extreme conditions of the ocean depths. They are large and spherical, with a highly specialized structure that maximizes the ability to capture the little available light. These eyes are equipped with a highly sensitive retina, allowing the squid to perceive even the slightest movements in an almost completely dark environment. Instead of seeing colors, the giant squid has vision adapted for contrasts and subtle movements, making it extremely efficient at detecting prey and threats. In addition to its vision, the giant squid possesses a series of specialized sensors that help detect prey and predators. Its tentacles are covered with tactile and chemical receptors that detect vibrations and chemical substances in the water. These sensors allow the squid to feel the waves of movement caused by an approaching prey, even in complete darkness. When prey moves through the water, the giant squid can perceive these small changes and adjust its position for a successful capture. Another crucial aspect is the giant squid's camouflage system. It not only uses camouflage to hide from its predators, but also to stealthily approach its prey. Its skin contains specialized cells that can change color and texture, allowing the squid to blend perfectly with the surrounding environment. This is particularly useful in an environment where visibility is extremely limited. The giant squid can camouflage itself so well that its prey doesn't notice its presence until it's too late. In addition to these senses, the giant squid is also equipped with an impressive ability to detect variations in pressure and ocean currents. This keen sense allows the squid to perceive changes in the environment that may signal the presence of other animals. If a predator approaches, the squid can sense these changes and take quick action to avoid danger. To complement this set of sensory abilities, the giant squid also has a rapid reaction capability. When a threat is detected or prey is located, the squid can act instantly, using its speed and maneuverability to ensure success in capturing prey or fleeing from danger. With these sharp senses and highly adapted vision, the giant squid stands out as one of the most effective predators in the ocean depths. Its ability to detect prey and avoid predators in such a challenging environment is an impressive combination of evolutionary skills that make it a true master of darkness. In the mysterious depths of the ocean, where sunlight never reaches and the cold is relentless, the giant squid lives in a world full of intriguing and dangerous encounters with other marine creatures. Let's dive into this universe and discover how these interactions shape its life and behavior. The giant squid, with its immense size and formidable abilities, is not alone in the depths. It shares this environment with some of the ocean's most impressive and often threatening creatures. Among these companions and rivals are sharks and whales, whose interactions with the giant squid reveal much about its life and survival strategies. When we talk about sharks, we are referring to agile and imposing predators that also patrol the deep. The giant squid, being a formidable predator, may have challenging encounters with sharks. Some species of sharks, such as the mako shark and the blacktip shark, are known for their hunting ability in the dark and may occasionally cross paths with the giant squid. However, the giant squid has some strategies to deal with these threats. Its camouflage ability is crucial, allowing it to blend with the environment and hide from curious sharks. When it detects an approaching shark, the squid can use its speed to quickly move away and hide in the deep shadows where the shark cannot follow. But not all interactions are confrontational. On some occasions, the giant squid may encounter whales, such as sperm whales, which also explore the ocean depths. Sperm whales, with their enormous size and deep diving abilities, may come into contact with giant squids while hunting for food, including squids and other mollusks. Although these whales may occasionally encounter giant squids, the squid uses its camouflage abilities and its capacity to hide in deeper areas to avoid dangerous encounters. If a giant squid is captured by a whale, it may use its powerful tentacles to try to escape, offering an impressive fight before eventually breaking free. In addition to these interactions with predators, the giant squid also plays an important role in the marine ecosystem as prey for other larger predators. For instance, some species of sharks and whales, which are at the top of the food chain, may occasionally capture giant squids in their hunts. This shows how life in the depths is a constant survival game, where each interaction can determine whether life continues or ends. These interactions are not only about survival, but also about how the giant squid adapts and evolves to face the challenges of its environment. The need to avoid predators and deal with unexpected encounters constantly forces the giant squid to refine its camouflage and escape skills, ensuring it remains at the top of the deep sea food chain. By exploring the world of the giant squid and its interactions with other marine animals, we uncover a complex and fascinating ecosystem where every encounter and every strategy plays a crucial role in the survival of this incredible creature. In the vast and mysterious world of the deep ocean, encounters between humans and giant squids are rare and fascinating, often marked by moments of awe and scientific discovery. These encounters not only fuel curiosity about these enigmatic creatures, but also help uncover the secrets of the ocean's depths. Let's explore some of the most intriguing stories of documented encounters between humans and giant squids, and see how these experiences have helped expand our knowledge of these majestic beings. The first recorded capture. The first major surprise for the world occurred in 2002, when a giant squid was captured in a fishing net off the coast of New Zealand. This squid, which measured about 10 meters in length, was found trapped in a fishing net at a depth of approximately 1,000 meters. The capture was a significant milestone, as it provided the first detailed scientific data on the morphology and biology of the giant squid. Scientists were able to study its tentacles, beak, and body structure, revealing for the first time the real size and characteristics of this mysterious predator. This capture was a crucial breakthrough in the study of the giant squid, offering valuable information that helped confirm many of the speculations circulating about these creatures. The Japanese expedition encounter. In 2013, a team of Japanese scientists aboard the research vessel Nippon conducted an expedition aimed at filming giant squids in their natural habitat. Equipped with underwater cameras and special bait, the researchers ventured into the dark depths of the Pacific Ocean. Their persistence was rewarded when they captured the first video footage of a giant squid in action. The video showed the squid swimming gracefully in the darkness and revealed details of its bioluminescence and camouflage in full effect. This encounter was crucial for better understanding the behavior of giant squids and demonstrated the complexity and beauty of these animals in their natural environment. The filmed material provided insights into how these squids move, hunt, and interact with their surroundings. The deep discovery. In 2019, an international expedition led by scientists and ocean explorers succeeded in capturing images of a giant squid at the bottom of the Atlantic Ocean, at a depth of 1,200 meters. The team used a remotely operated underwater vehicle, equipped with high-definition cameras and special lights. During one of the dives, the vehicle encountered a giant squid that, when illuminated, revealed its impressive tentacles and its ability to camouflage itself on the ocean floor. This discovery provided valuable information about the giant squid's diet and behavior and marked a significant breakthrough in understanding its ecology. The squid's ability to blend into its environment, as well as its reaction to the presence of light, was observed in detail for the first time. The Antarctic Adventure Tale. In an expedition to the Antarctic continent in 2021, a group of marine biologists found evidence that giant squids might be present in the icy waters around Antarctica. Equipped with advanced technology, such as high-resolution underwater cameras and temperature sensors, the team discovered signs of giant squid activity and captured images of fragments of their prey. Although the giant squid itself was not directly filmed, the collected evidence provided new clues about the geographic distribution of these creatures and helped to understand how they might adapt to different environmental conditions. This encounter was crucial in expanding knowledge of giant squid's presence in unexplored regions. The impact of these encounters on science. Each of these encounters with giant squids not only added new information to our understanding of these animals, but also challenged old perceptions and helped to fill gaps in scientific knowledge. The collected images, data, and evidence have been crucial for studies on the biology, behavior, and ecology of giant squids. These moments of contact with the unknown remind us of the vastness and mystery that still remain in the ocean depths, and of the continuous fascination these creatures exert on scientists and the curious alike. Human encounters with giant squids are a testament to our relentless quest to discover the secrets of the deep ocean. Each encounter offers a unique and fascinating glimpse into marine life in its natural habitat, reinforcing the importance of exploration and studying the ocean depths. The challenges of unexplored depths. Imagine being more than 1,000 meters below the surface of the ocean, where darkness is total and the pressure is overwhelming. It is in this extreme environment that giant squids make their homes. The first major difficulty faced by scientists is the sheer depth. The extreme conditions of pressure, cold, and lack of light make exploration challenging and dangerous. Equipment must be designed to withstand enormous pressures, which can crush even the sturdiest structures. To overcome this challenge, scientists use high-tech submersibles and remotely operated vehicles, capable of withstanding these conditions and providing valuable data about the deep-sea environment. Total darkness and the need for advanced technology. Another significant difficulty is the complete darkness of the ocean depths. Without sunlight penetrating, scientists must rely on artificial light to visualize and document marine life. High-definition underwater cameras and lighting are essential for capturing clear images and important details of giant squids. These cameras are equipped with powerful LEDs and filtering systems that allow the observation of animals without disturbing them. Additionally, the bioluminescence technology used by the squids themselves is studied to understand how they illuminate their surroundings, which aids both their survival and our ability to study them. The challenge of logistics and communication. The logistics of deep-sea exploration also represent a significant challenge. Expeditions to the ocean floor are complex and require meticulous planning. Communication with underwater vehicles and submersibles must be constant and precise, which is complicated by the vast distance between the surface and the depths. Acoustic communication, where sonar signals and data are transmitted via sound waves, is a crucial solution. Scientists rely on advanced transmission systems to send and receive information in real time, allowing immediate adjustments to operations and data collection, overcoming barriers with cutting-edge technology. In recent years, advancements in technology have transformed deep-sea exploration. Remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, have become more sophisticated, equipped with manipulator arms, high-resolution cameras, and various sensors. These vehicles can capture detailed images, collect samples, and conduct experiments under extreme conditions. Another significant advancement is the use of underwater drones, which can explore larger areas and conduct more detailed inspections. The role of artificial intelligence and automation. Artificial intelligence, AI, and automation also play an increasingly important role in ocean exploration. AI algorithms are used to process large amounts of data and identify patterns that would be difficult to detect manually. This allows for faster and more accurate analysis of the data collected during expeditions. Additionally, automated systems assist in the operation of underwater vehicles, improving mission efficiency and increasing the safety of the teams involved. Challenges and advances in research and documentation. Research on giant squids also faces the challenge of documenting behaviors and interactions that occur in such a remote and inaccessible environment. However, with the use of long-term recording technologies and environmental sensors, scientists are able to gain a more detailed and complete view of the behavior of these animals. These technologies allow for continuous monitoring of environmental conditions and squid activities, helping to create a clearer picture of how these giants of the deep live and interact with their habitat. The journey continues despite the immense difficulties. Each technological advance and discovery made is a significant step toward understanding giant squids and the mysterious world of the ocean depths. Each expedition is an opportunity to explore the unknown and uncover new secrets about these fascinating creatures. The journey of exploration continues, driven by curiosity and a passion for unraveling the mysteries that still lie in the ocean's depths. Exploring the ocean depths is a challenge that requires innovation, courage, and perseverance. But it is through these challenges that knowledge advances and the boundaries of understanding are expanded. With the help of new technologies and the dedication of scientists, we are getting closer to uncovering the secrets of giant squids and the incredible wonders that inhabit the depths of our planet. As we venture beyond the ocean's surface and dive into the depths where giant squids make their home, we cannot ignore the vital importance of these majestic predators in our marine ecosystem. The future of the Real Kraken, as the giant squid is known, is not just a matter of scientific curiosity but of ecological responsibility and conservation. Let's reflect on the future of these giants of the deep and the crucial role they play in their habitat. A look to the future with their long tentacles and impressive predatory skills. Giant squids are true masters of the ocean depths. They play a fundamental role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems, helping to control prey populations and preserve the health of underwater environments. However, as we learn more about these enigmatic creatures, we are also beginning to understand that their survival is threatened by various external forces. Impacts of human activities, from overfishing to marine pollution, have a significant impact on marine habitats. Climate change, which is warming the oceans and altering current patterns, also affects the availability of food and the behavior of giant squids. The destruction of habitats and ocean contamination can disrupt the food chain and reduce the chances of survival for these magnificent animals. Moreover, trawling, which can accidentally catch giant squids and other deep-sea creatures, poses a direct threat. Although such encounters are rare, the consequences for squid populations can be severe. Data collection and research are essential to better understand how these practices impact giant squids and to develop strategies that minimize human impact on these deep-sea predators. The importance of conservation. Protecting the future of giant squids is about more than just saving a species. It's about ensuring the health and balance of marine ecosystems as a whole. These animals are an integral part of the web of life in the deep sea, and their presence directly affects the dynamics of underwater communities. The conservation of giant squids also means protecting their habitats and ensuring that oceanographic conditions remain favorable for marine life. Conservation involves not only protecting giant squids themselves, but also safeguarding the ecosystems in which they live. This includes efforts to reduce marine pollution, regulate fishing, and protect critical marine areas. Ongoing research and monitoring projects help to better understand the needs and behaviors of giant squids, enabling scientists and conservationists to develop effective strategies to preserve these creatures and their habitats. The role of education and research educating the public about the importance of giant squids and marine ecosystems is key to fostering conservation efforts. Through scientific outreach and education, we can raise awareness about the need to protect the oceans and their incredible creatures. Scientific research also plays a crucial role, providing valuable data that helps guide conservation policies and create strategies to protect marine habitats. The hope for a sustainable future, though the challenges are great, there is hope for the future of giant squids. Technology is advancing, allowing for better understanding and monitoring of the ocean's depths. Conservation initiatives are gaining momentum, and global efforts to protect the oceans are growing. Every step taken to preserve the marine environment and better understand these creatures is a step toward a more sustainable future for the Real Kraken and all the life forms that share the vast and mysterious ocean. As we continue to explore and learn more about giant squids, we must also remember that our responsibility goes beyond scientific curiosity. It is our duty to ensure that these giants of the deep can thrive and play their vital role in a healthy marine ecosystem. The future of giant squids and many other species depends on our commitment to conservation and our respect for the wonderful and fragile underwater world they inhabit.